Hey guys, here is another GEC ceiling fan, Relite Industrial. This one's 56-inch, like that one back there, but this one's in a lot better condition, but the bearings are not. Canopies, they are here, they are damaged though, but nothing you can really do about that. This one come with the 36-inch. Not really too much else to say, besides the bearings are bad in it as well. But they are old and you can't really help that. So we'll start it off on low. So yeah, it spins okay and everything, so I might just go over here and just shut the door. Dog barking noise. It's the beauty about this shed, you can shut the door. So yeah, it does have a grease stain on the bottom. I can't get rid of it. Yeah, they are from the early 70s, so yeah. You can hear the bearing sounds. Quite bad. Does move air, but nothing compared to the 36-inch. 36-inch moves tons of it. This one doesn't really do that. It does wobble because one of the blades is a bit bent, but it's hard to bend back because it's warped in a couple of places. No, you can start to feel more air from it, but nothing much. We had a video interruption. Bearings are quite crunchy, grindy and stuff. Here's the speed selector. I don't think these are actually made to spin as fast as the Airmaster Relite ones, because all of the ones I have don't spin that fast, but they seem to rely on air movement and blade pitch. Yeah, the controller's quite some damage. That was for that one, actually. These ones didn't come with controllers. Doesn't squeak like the other one, though. There's the air movement. It's not that much, to be honest, but it's still decent. Alright, thanks for watching.